Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Richard Allen. Thank you so much for joining me. As promised, I wanted to talk about Rocket Mortgage before their earnings. So they're going to have earnings, I think, on the, what did they say now? The 10th of November. So it's coming up pretty quick. They have an expectation earning per share of $1.07 per share. And I think they're going to blow that out of the water. So they blew out the last earnings out of the water. And then the stock freaking tanked. I don't understand, but hey, whatever. They were up at where's the high? Yeah, $34.42 per share. They're at half of that right now. They're at $18.18 a share. If you know anything about Rocket Mortgage, Quicken Loans, it's a big company. They have a bunch of subsidiaries. I think we counted like 11 or 12 last time we looked at them. They have a bunch of subsidiaries. This right now is being valued like a bank, like a Wells Fargo, like a Citigroup, like a Bank of America, something like that, right? And I believe that Rocket companies, ticker symbol RKT, is more of a tech company than they are a bank. But they're going to need to prove themselves to investors before investors are like, yeah, I'm jumping in. I'm all in on this company. But this company has some tremendous growth potential. They have a ton of revenue. And the refinance market right now, which is a ton of their business, the refinance market right now is absolutely massive, especially in the U.S. here, right? So the Fed has kept rates at zero. They probably won't raise rates for the next few years. So that's a tremendous opportunity for Rocket companies to have more and more refinances over the next few years. So this is like baked in revenue that it's just going to keep coming because they've spent so much money on bringing first-in-class digital. You've probably seen a ton of Rocket Mortgage ads out there, but they have a first-in-class digital mortgage lender, and it's a great company. And I think their PE ratio right now is like 6 or 7 or something crazy. Let me look at it. It's just madness. Yeah, 7.5. So there is a ton of potential, especially if they blow out earnings. I think it'll be the opposite effect to what it had last time. It doesn't make sense to me why they dropped so much. I think there was a ton of exuberance after the IPO, and it ran up like crazy, like a lot of IPOs do, right? But I bet you wish you would have bought Facebook when it was $18 a share after their IPO. This had a similar track, right? It released at like $18, jumped up to 30, went back down to 18. So I would encourage you to put RKT or Rocket companies on your list. I bought some call options for Rocket that expire after earnings. I bought a $16 call today. That my break-even price is $19. I'm already up a little bit on that call right now. That seemed like a no-brainer to me to risk, a few $100s on the just banking on the fact that I think earnings could be crazy. So I bought the November 20th expiration, and it was a $16 call. I think RKT could go through the roof, and I think they could do that relatively quickly. Even if we just get up into like the 20 PE range, let's say 21, right? This company is worth $90 billion. Okay, so this stock, if they can get investors behind them, could 3x relatively quickly. So that's my price target for Rocket companies. I think this could easily be a $50 stock within the next year. Within the next year, I think this could get to $50. And the reason is, I think they're gonna really crush the next 4 quarters and really the next 3 years. I think they're just gonna crush it. As long as interest rates are low and they keep spending as much money as they are in advertising, man, I think they're just gonna crush it. So I appreciate you joining me today. I'm trying to get to 200 subscribers. I was pleading with you guys to give me to 200 subscribers by the end of the week, and you did it. So I really, really appreciate that. But if you enjoy my content at all, I try to post every single day, sometimes multiple times per day. And I would really appreciate hitting that subscribe button down below. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.